Hi, my name is Johnny Timmons at MarineMax Yachts. Today we're going to hop on the back of our brand new 2020 430 Galeon HTC. Kind of do a quick run through, minute and a half. Teak swim platform, diesel engines. We're running the 440 Volvos on this boat. When the hydraulic swim platform does go down, we got a nice stainless ladder that's going to follow us down so we can get back up on the boat. Hop up on here and walk through it with me. Really neat little concept back here in the cockpit. We can slide this back seat forward and aft. We can even flip it over and make a nice little sun pad. We got a couple of tables that'll fill in right here, give it some support. This boat, we ordered it with high gloss black walnut, and we even upgraded it with the wood blinds all the way throughout. Really a nice feature for a small yacht, give it that luxurious feel. I'm gonna slide back over here. We did the tan beige interior inside the salon. Flat screen TV that's going to pop up. It's on a remote control. Nice, easy little concept. Great little entertaining area. All one level with sliding back doors. I'm going to hop up here on the bridge real quick. Galeon does a really nice job on all their interior. Plenty of vision, single pane glass all the way through. Big sunroof up here. Easy boat to handle yourself. If you need a little help docking, real easy. Just drop these windows down. You got them on the port and starboard side so you can communicate with whoever's helping you dock the boat. Bow thruster, like I said, Volvo diesels with digital controls. We're going to work our way down to the galley real quick just to keep it simple. Fridge freezer combo. You got a nice little convection oven right there. And like I said, you really got to pay attention on these Galeons. Their woodwork is absolutely gorgeous all the way throughout. Now this is a 2-stateroom, 2-head layout that really opens the boat up. They did offer it one time, 3-stateroom. 2 heads, 2 staterooms, makes it for a really big 43. Master's going to be forward and your guest is going to be aft. Look how big and roomy this boat is. We're in the boat show right now, so we're not going to walk all the way up to the bow, but up there we've got 2 nice sun loungers. You've got your anchor chain and windlass. We've also got a remote back over here. That should wrap us up. Johnny Timmons, MarineMax Houston. Today we're on our 2020 Galeon 430 HTC.